I'm back to put the sunshine in your mind, 'cause I don't like the way it's got you raining all the time. Put away your troubles by leaving them behind, so every time you look up, clear blue sky. But here he comes again like a cloud in your view, blocking all of your light like only he could do. Don't listen to the sirens, girl, drop him, drop him. He really needs to stop it, 'cause I'm your only topic now. With me you'll never end up in the same silly situations, no. Don't you know that if you are the one